Hello, a very good morning to all my dear students. Hardware and software. And the topics are computer hardware, input devices, processing devices, and output devices, computer software, system software, and application software. Here we will first study about computer hardware. The parts of a computer which you can see and touch are called hardware. Computer hardware is classified into three different groups: input devices, processing devices, and output devices. These devices functions differently to fulfill different operations to make a computer run properly. Now first we will discuss about input devices. The devices that are used to enter data into a computer are called input devices. Data can be words, numbers, audio, video, images, graphics, and so on. Now in input devices, first is keyboard. It is the most important input device. It has 104 keys which help users to enter data and instructions into a computer. Each key on a keyboard is used to perform a different action. There are two types of keyboards. First is QWERTY keyboard. Standard keyboard is known as a QWERTY keyboard because the first 6 letters of the alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T, and Y. The letters on a keyboard are not arranged in an alphabetical order. Second is multimedia keyboard. A multimedia keyboard comes with specific media control keys. For example, volume buttons, play, pause button, next track, and previous track buttons, mute button, and so on. It also has special keys that give an easy access to the internet and other frequently used programs, that is called the multimedia keyboard. Now the next is mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons, left and right, with a scroll wheel in the middle of them. A mouse is used to point, select, and move items on the screen. The mouse pointer follows the movement of the mouse. A computer mouse is of two types. First is mechanical mouse. It has a movable control ball. This ball follows the movements of the mouse. This mouse is also known as a ball mouse. A mechanical mouse is a little heavy and needs to be cleaned regularly. Second is optical mouse. It uses LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. It does not have any moving parts unlike a mechanical mouse. It is lighter than a mechanical mouse and does not need much care. These days, optical mouse are more commonly used. Light pen. Light pen is a digital pen. It is used to point, select, and draw object by placing it directly on the computer screen. A light pen is used only with CRT monitors. It is commonly used by engineers, architects, fashion designers, and teachers while using a smartboard. Scanner. It is an input device that let a user transfer data or information from a hard copy into a computer. A scanner can read text as well as pictures printed on a piece of paper. For example, printed document, photographs, or even a handwritten documents. Barcode reader. It is handheld scanner which is commonly used in malls and shops. It reads or scans the barcode that appear on different items using beam of light. The stored information is displayed on the monitor. A barcode is a pattern of black and white lines of different thickness. The patterns contains the product information such as its name, price, weight, and so on. Webcam. Webcam is the short form of web camera. Webcam is connected to a computer to capture still images and record videos into a computer. It is used to have live video chat and video conferencing through the internet. Digital camera. Digital camera is used to capture photographs. The images are stored in digital form using a memory card. Using this camera you can take pictures and also record videos. Processing device. A computer has only one processing device, which is the CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is placed inside the CPU cabinet. It processes the given input and controls the overall function of a computer. The processing device does all the calculations and comparison of data, and finally displays the output on the monitor. It stores data and information saved in a computer. CPU is divided into three parts on the basis of its functioning. First is memory unit, MU. It stores data and instructions which can be recalled anytime you want. Second is control unit, CU. It controls and manages the functioning of all the parts of a computer. Third is arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. It does all the arithmetic calculations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It performs logical operations too, for example, finding the greater number, smaller number, and so on.